In this video, I'm going to show you how to show or hide the ribbon bar in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. In Microsoft Word, the ribbon is when Word refers to this. This ribbon changes depending on the tab that you select. For example, when I select Insert, the ribbon changes. If we want to hide this, maybe to create more room for our document, we can do it really easily. Right-click it, then look for the third option, which is collapse the ribbon. We can also press Ctrl F1 to select it once. In order to show the ribbon, we can do two things. We can press Ctrl F1 like this, or we go to the top where the tabs are and we simply select on any of them. From here, automatically shows the ribbon again, but when we select out, they disappear. So in order to show it permanently, select on a tab, then find a space, right click, and just untick it. Remember, the fastest way to do this is Ctrl F1, use it twice to hide and to show. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn other shortcuts in Microsoft Word, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.